ancient lands where rivers meet, new forms of rule began to seat. Some wore crowns of royal claim, hereditary kings by name. Others met in council halls where clan and oath were stronger laws. Gana and Sanghas ruled as one, by vote and voice, not just by throne. From kings to councils, war to law, early India shaped what power saw. State and sword, debate and fight, forged political life and might. The king stood guarded, taxed the land with ministers at his command. Revenue flowed from field and trade to feed the army, roads and bay. Officials kept the records true, justice weighed what men should do. From village head to royal court, the state grew strong in written form. In Vajji lands and Malla ground, no single king was ever crowned. Assemblies met at sacred trees, decisions made by shared decree. Elders spoke, the clans agreed, collective rule met common need. These republics, firm yet few, stood strong until conquest grew. From kings to councils, war to law, early India shaped what power saw. Republics fell, monarchs stayed, as force and order were remade. Standing armies trained and paid, a new political tool was made. Infantry marched, chariots rolled, cavalry charged, elephants bore. Iron weapons, sharper steel, gave battlefields a deadly feel. Forts were built on hill and plain to guard the state and mark domain. Spies were sent and treaties sworn, war declared or peace was born. Siege and blockade broke the wall as cities rose and kingdoms fell. Together learned the art of war, built roads and forts and fought for more. Republics weak in endless fight yielded to centralized might. From early states to empires grand, power took shape across the land. In council, crown and battlefield, the roots of Indian state were sealed. Before the